For the next 24 hours, I will be showing you guys a city where creativity and talent abound. I embarked on a quest to uncover the hidden gem of Enugu, Nigeria. With a passion to discovering new talents and a curiosity about the vibrant city of Enugu, I packed my bag and set out on a journey to find the most talented individuals in the region. I've always been fascinated by the magic behind the scenes, wondering how ordinary things are done in extraordinary ways. Nomek has drilled me in this Enugu. I gave myself a task to find out how this, and this are done right here in Enugu, Nigeria. I set out on a task to meet the mastermind behind these beautiful arts. I had always seen his works, but never imagined I'd meet the mastermind behind them. His signage graced the streets, a reflection of his skill and craftsmanship. I had often wondered what inspired him, what drove him to create such beauty. Then, one day, I had an opportunity to meet him at his workshop.
I brought action. I conversation. Mazin Omek, on your hollow. Nigga, they see us everywhere just looking. Mr. is driving BMW, guys.
As I stepped into the compound, I was met with a treasure trove of raw materials scattered all over the place. There were bundles of woods, sheets of metal, and crates of other materials, each one waiting to be transformed into something extraordinary. That's when I saw them, the dedicated workers, busily crafting each piece into a work of art. I watched the fascination as they skillfully shaped, sanded, and assembled the raw materials, bringing them to life with precision and care. Every piece was a masterpiece, a reflection of the workers' skill and dedication. I saw how each one was carefully crafted with attention to every detail until it became a stunning work of art. My curiosity got the best of me, and I decided to take a closer look. I walked around the compound, taking in the sights and sounds of the bustling workshop. That's when I saw them, the works in progress, each one a remarkable example of the workers' skills and dedication.
Nomek Digital.
As I walked in the compound, my eyes landed on a sleek BMW glaring in the sunlight. I couldn't help but notice the car's pristine condition, a clear indication of its owner's meticulous nature. I wondered who the car belonged to and what kind of person would take such a great care of their vehicle. It was Nomex.
This car is for multi-purpose. It's a multi-purpose, how do they call it? Multi-purpose utility vehicle.
Call it just
Utility vehicle.
say multi-purpose. To be a reputation of a particular statement.
Okay, English. So, it is a utility vehicle.
Can serve for events, can serve for grocery, can serve for work.
As I watched Nomek's phone buzzed with incoming calls and messages, it was clearly a man in demand, with clients seeking his expertise and attention. He answered each call with a smile, listening intently to their needs and concerns.
The logo will be part of it and it will have light, so it can be seen at night. What is a pylon signage?
He replied messages with swift efficiency, his fingers flying across the keyboard as he addressed each query. It was impressive to see him juggle multiple conversations at once, his focus never wavering as he provided guidance and solutions. With our destination in mind, we were ready to hit the road. But first, a crucial step remained. Our trusty vehicle, our reliable companion for the journey, needed a thorough check-up before we could embark. Engine, tires, and brakes all require a careful inspection to ensure our safe arrival.
For this particular style.
With With a sly grin, he presented me with a challenge, one that could test my creativity and intuition.
Can you guess by this? Can you guess?
I can't guess.
Can't guess the right one.
Okay, the right one.
Yeah.
He revealed a skeleton of products, each one unique and intriguing, with stones waiting to be uncovered. He invited me to guess the writer, the words that brought each product to life, a task that seemed both daunting and exhilarating. Studied each product carefully, searching for clues, imagining the narratives that could accompany them. As I made my guess, he offered subtle hints and guidance, encouraging me to think creatively and consider the possibilities. With each attempt, I felt getting closer to the truth. The words beginning to take shape in my mind.
Can't guess the right one.
Okay, the right one.
Yeah.
Pharmacy.
Yeah, you get it right.
Pharmacy.
Nice one. You get it right.
Pharmacy. Not completed.
That's
But
why I
that's
say
it.
you call it contour.
Okay.
A contour letter. A contoured letter.
The people of Enugu and Nigeria are known for their unwavering work ethic and unrelenting spirit as they tackle each day with grind and passion. From the early morning markets to the late night workshops, the sounds of the hustle and the hard work fill the air. Despite the challenges, the people of Enugu and Nigeria continue to push forward, driven by their dreams and aspirations. Their daily hustle is a reflection of their strength and character, a reminder that with hard work and dedication, anything is possible.
That's what we say. Can even stand and eat to meet up.
With a sense of excitement and anticipation, we set out on a journey, ready to tackle new challenges and create something amazing. As we hit the road, my champion shared stories of past projects, pointing out landmarks and spots where he had worked his magic. We drove past a sleek building, its facade glaring with a design he had created, and I couldn't help but feel a sense of pride and awe. We visited several sites, each one showcasing his talent and dedication. From murals to signage, every project a testament to his skills. As we arrived at our destination, I could feel the energy building, knowing that we were about to create something new and exciting for eager clients. With a deep breath, we stepped out of the vehicle, ready to bring our ideas to life and make our mark on the new canvas. Together, we began our new project. Our collaboration and creativity blending together in perfect harmony as we brought our vision to life. As we completed our project, I couldn't help but feel a sense of pride and accomplishment. We had created something truly special, a reflection of power of collaboration and creativity. The craftsman's skill and dedication had brought our vision to life, and I knew that this was just the beginning of an incredible journey. With a final nod of satisfaction, we packed up our tools, already planning our next project. The city of Enugu has shown me its magic, and I knew that I would never forget this experience. The memory of our shared creativity and innovation would stay with me forever, a reminder of what can be achieved when talent and passion come together.
He has been our number one supporter from one nature to Abakaliki, to Waka, and down here to Enugu. Even in Transekulu, we have practice. So he's a very good fellow.
If you want to see more videos like this, showcasing the beauty and ingenuity of Nigeria and its people, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be posting new content regularly, and I don't want you to miss out. See you on my next video.
I met my new wife at Ibawani. And she has been telling me that she's shy.